Good day, welcome to Multinet Design. We are starting a new project in REVIT. So we call the title of this project Double Flat Design. What I mean by double flat design is that it's 4-bedroom flat to be precise, but it's going to have apartments ground floor and going to repeat the same apartment at the upper floor with different kind of design statics that we all understand. So as we committed to the project of developing people mindset, so that's what we are doing here. And let me quickly show you what I'm talking about. This is the project I'm talking about. So the ground floor contains what? 4-bedroom flats, while the upper one contains 4-bedroom flats. In your mind, you might be looking at it, this is a duplex. Actually, it's not a duplex, but take a duplex format. So I want to use this position to teach you how to create a design of this manner and get engaged with your clients and move on using REVIT as a tool. So let's go and start the project entirely. So now this is the elevation. We are not going to start the design from here. So we go to foundation, ground floor, that's level 1. Then we are going to be creating. So the next thing we need to do is that you have your template. If you have everything set placed like this as I have it. So now I've told you before, if you don't have a regular template that you have issue with most of the projects you are doing, there's a tutorial. You can just hint on me. I have a tutorial concerning this particular how to create templates on how to use the templates already being created. So maybe so that all the components like this, all the components are going to be available, that you are not going to be missing anyone. So most of the people always ask me how do I get this sound because of what I've already created. So let's start on the order of the day and start the whole project completely. So the first thing you need to do is that when everything is set like this, just go to your wall and pick it. So what I do is that I want to start the unconnected wall. For me, I'm going to increase it to 3000 since it's the normal level head height that I always use for my design. So I check the parameter of my wall. So I'm using 225, which is the width, which is okay for me. So the material for now I'm going to stop because I'm not going to be still editing. So let us focus on the plan as we used to do. So what we do here is that you click on this and start project. So I'm starting my work from the back, from behind. So this is what is going to take me. So actually this land is how many plot of land? I just not a standard plot of land. It's just like 10 meter by 24 meter. So let me just use this as a guide, or let me use annotate. That will be better so that you not be obstructing whenever I want to get to elevation. So click on annotate, select line, then pick from here, and you just click the rectangle first. So then you begin to adjust. So you need to make sure that this one is 10 meter. But that is the normal land that the client was like proposing to me. So I did that for him. So click this one again, 24 meter. So this is the normal standard of the land that was given to design something of such nature. Now what I do here is that I start my project from behind, what I said. So I'm clicking on a wall. So start from there, take a cognizant perspective of the setback. So I'm going to set that from here, let's say 3000. So I'm drawing this to pure. I finish this one now. I look at this side because this one cannot take a proper engagement, but let us see the size of the room. We later decide whether one part of it will be completed, another one will not be. So the room of this one is being created at the back side. So I create this room now. Good. So I did the same thing here, creating the next room. So I trim it. So you just need to watch our channel for a proper design that we always do on daily basis. We have created a lot of designs. So if you are the type that style of design of different kind of things, so this channel is for you. And if you are just not for one subscribe or just watch, kindly subscribe. It helps the engagement of the and make the site, the channel to be more popular. At the same time, try to always comment whatsoever your observation is. So tell us what is this, what we need to do more. So I appreciate those who have been commenting continuously. So let's move on. Click this one and say here I want to create, this is for the toilet and this is for another toilet. This is the way this part of design is engaged. So I'm creating this one now for me. So I'm having this into place, set it up for the proper assignment like this. So I'm going to drop it here. There might see some editing as I'm going on this particular project. So just focus and follow through one after the other. So I don't want to rush. I just want to take everything step by step so that you'll be able to learn confidently. So I'm selecting this one, shift it in a little bit of, then we're going to match this up here. So as I am now, I've created 3 rooms in this particular thing. So without any further, so the land is what will determine what we are doing. So as the land has been given, this is what I have done at this level. So this is the three room have been created, remain the next one. But for now, let us continue to build all the facilities around. So I'm going to extend this one a little bit outside. I still told you that I'm still going to work on, still engage them, so in this episode, so don't be in rush. So follow through step by step. So I'm going to put this one here like this. Now I'm returning this to where it's supposed to be. So unjoin it elements. So bring this one and connect it to this. So now we're done with this. So what have I done here is that I will create the toilets for this one as well. So I'm putting it here now. Let it have a full length on the sole. So pure. So I did this. So the next thing I need to work on is to define the front side if possible. So I'm going to do this one by creating it, bring it up, then close the gap, and then have the space in this manner. Good. So I think 3 rooms being created, remain the last one, which I'm going to do. I don't even know where I'm going to position that, so let me just like adjust this living room. So this is the living room and it's been adjusted. So I'm creating this one to come up, then close it up with this. So it's going to happen here. So now I have done this. So what I need to do, I will push this to some level. So as I've done this one, it is not the end yet, but something unique is coming out of this gracious pattern. So I'm clicking here. I will divide this one into 2 here now. Bam. So I'm going to have my room somewhere here, while at the same time need to put where I'm going to have my dining to a place. So it's a tactical design procedure, so you need to follow this essence of it. So I'm done with this. So click here now and say divide this into 2. Good. So one part for the guest room, one part for the kitchen, and then probably for the store. So all these things are there to keep engaging the confidence of our design. So I've done with this one now. So what I need to do, this is the living room, this is the ground one bedroom, another one, this is the 4th bedroom here now. So how will I do that? So I've done everything necessary to be put in place, and what I need is now to focus on the aesthetic value and begin to bring all those things together in a format that they are necessary. So I will do this one, click on this, just remove it and join this. So click this to connect this together again. So if there's any issue, this one is what I'm supposed to do. So connect this one together with this for now. Good. This is the ground floor that we have created. Anteroom. From anteroom, we have an anteroom here. Then we have a guest room. We have kitchen. We have dining. So all the facilities are almost completed. So now let me quickly create temporary fee for those people who want to follow through, so you should know the dimension of what you are engaging yourself in. So you can imagine, so this is the whole length of the land. It's not a full plot, and that this is supposed to contain according to what the clients need. So you set it standard for this and you continue to work on them. So if you just begin to watch towards this individual perspective and you see the engaging parts being discovered as you are working on it frequently. So this is it. So if you are the one that's wondering what the dimension, that's why I'm giving you this temporary dimension to work with, so that you'll be able to create your own you'll be able to create your own design in a flexible way. So click this and you have this, click. So this is set. So for the proper engagement, this is what we have for now. So let me quickly introduce door and window so that we have access to those people before we continue and proceed to the next thing. So click here, click here. This is the entrance. So if you have issue with that, you know what to do. Expand it and rearrange the whole thing. So this is it. So I'm clicking here and this is another one. Selecting this one. I don't think this one should be, yeah. So you have this in place and then you put this in a proper manner, and then same time this will be staying here as well. So I think we are through with this little bit of idea. So I'm not done yet, so let me quickly do something here that will create a proper. So we need to have entrance porch. So I'm picking this one as an entrance porch. Why I have to consider the front part of it, because at least 6 meters I still need at the front side. So I think the front is being used but not properly used to be sincere. So we'll still work on it. We can still adjust it to the back because this is not the standard flange to be precise. So we still need to really adjust it to the bit so that we can accommodate whatsoever we want to happen, because we still need more engagement than this front. So this one is done here like this. Expand this and push it up. This is front. Break this down. Then click this. Then click this. Now what I do here is that this one is coming up to land here. So what is there that's going to be taking place is simple. The whole idea here is that I'm still going to break this into two. So I've broken this into two. I adjust this one based on what I have. So I push it out to reduce the effect of that. So this is push out. Where this one goes like this, then link up with this. So this is going to be the anteroom. So click on the door again and bring door to this place. Anteroom is going to be viewed from outside. So I'm going to click that. So I will resize this door to accommodate what I'm doing it for. So click here and say duplicate. For the duplicate aspect, just like toilet door, just like toilet door, which is okay. Then you change the size from here, leave the height alone, but the width to be 750 mm. So click that and let it be. So you now use that mm to propose your, yeah. So this is done. So we have it engaged in the proper manner, and this is what we have in this situation. So every other thing will be visited and we are going to be doing them one after the other, but for now, this is how you know the way we do. This is how we do, and this is where we stop for this particular episode. So in the next episode, we will rearrange and build more and get how we can link the ground floor to the first floor, and how the people at the first floor are going to feel about this their whole accommodation, because there's still a little bit of changes that will occur in that place, but this is going to maintain what double flat condition of 4-bedroom flat that we propose for the client. So time for watching. We shall see you in the next episode. God bless you.